Greetings to everyone. My name is Manoj Kumar and my roll number is 6290. Our project is about handy help.
I am Satish Sharma, roll number 6212.
My name is Abhivardhan, my roll number is 6284.
This is Deeksha, my roll number is 6296.
I am Trisha, my roll number is 6282.
So the existing systems are mechanical structure, control system and end effector. To come up with those, our project objectives are precision control. The moving of the object in the robot is very accurate, and the wireless connectivity. The ESP32 generates a Wi-Fi module which is connected to our phone, and user can access that website and control through scrolling of the movements of this project.
Coming to the gaps in existing solution, limited range of motion, communication latency, safety features, power efficient and power optimization. Thank you.
Requirement, integrate ESP32 for remote operation, implement features to ensure user safety, ensure accurate and controlled robotic actions, design control for this.
Coming to the issue, achieving precise movements poses calibration complexities in robotic arm development, addressing optimal power usage remaining an ongoing challenge for robotic arm. Seamlessly connecting with external devices requires overcoming integration challenges.
Coming to the methodology, in our project we have mainly contained two main components, which is a robotic arm and a car. Robotic arm basically works on the ESP32 module and also the few jumper wires and the servo motors. And coming to the car mover, which is a moving object, which is basically runs on the motor driver and also few jumper wires. The main chip we are using is ESP32. Coming to the ESP32, it plays a crucial role in our project. This ESP32 is a blower module which can be worked using Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth modules. We are using Wi-Fi for this connections of our project, and when the Bluetooth connected to the phone, we are giving the signals in this project, signals to our project, and it will work efficiently as we are giving the signals. And this is the robotic arm, which this is the gripper part, shoulder, elbow, and base. Base is basically used to rotate the arm left and right, and shoulder, which helps to move the arm down and up, and elbow, which is used to move the arm forward and backward directions. This is the gripper, which is the main part, which will hold the objects from one place to another place to carry it. And coming to the moving part, we are using a L298N motor driver module. We are giving 12 volts of supply to it, and for the servo motors we are giving separate 5 volts of energy source and minimum 2 amps of current.